People think airport security is all about bags, belts, and liquids. But airports are built to read people, not just luggage. Officers watch small things. How fast you move, how tense you are, how your phone behaves. Phones tell stories. That quick flash on your screen when it hits the X-ray belt, notifications, icons, backgrounds, each one a tiny clue. To you, it's just a home screen. To them, it's behavior. Security systems don't judge your photos or texts. They notice differences, things that don't fit the pattern of the thousands of phones they see each day. A phone that looks freshly wiped or factory reset. A bunch of privacy apps that encrypt everything. A second number app or SIM swap tool. Lock screen alerts in another language. Individually harmless. Together, they look off. Officers call them digital anomalies. It doesn't mean you're in trouble. It just means your phone isn't average. When something looks off, TSA doesn't dig through your phone. They flag it silently. And that flag can reach Customs and Border Protection. CBP has had the power to inspect electronic devices for more than a decade. No new law, no viral rumor. It's been there all along under what's called the Border Search Rule. They can ask you to unlock your phone. If you refuse, they can delay you or deny entry if you're not a U.S. citizen. They can also plug the phone into software that copies its contents. And according to AP News, that data can stay in government systems for up to 15 years. All of this is legal. All of it happens quietly. Here's where it gets tricky. Most flags come from innocent stuff. A programmer arrived at a U.S. airport, tired after a long flight. Customs officer stopped him and scrolled through his phone. Then came the question. Why use Signal if you've got nothing to hide? Signal, an encrypted messaging app, was enough to raise suspicion. He never knew what they were looking for, only that his VPN made him stand out. Two friends from the UK landed in Los Angeles, laughing about their trip. Days earlier, one had tweeted, "Going to destroy America." To them, it meant party hard. To the Department of Homeland Security, it meant threat. They were detained, questioned, and put on the next flight home. None of them were criminals. Their only crime was context. The ability to inspect devices isn't new. CBP started doing it long before smartphones ruled our lives. Back then, a phone was just a phone. Now it's your photos, chats, passwords, maps, everything. So the same rule feels very different. In 2015, officers searched about 8,500 devices. By 2024, that number was over 47,000. Same policy, bigger spotlight. Technology has also changed. According to The Guardian, Homeland Security tested systems that read Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signals from phones in security lines. Not to steal data, to track patterns. TSA later confirmed those tests. Meaning, your device can be recognized before you even place it on the tray. Not hacked, just noticed. Imagine thousands of phones passing every hour. Most look ordinary, same icons, same signals. A few stand out. That's what security focuses on, the outliers. A phone that seems unusually clean, one that's packed with privacy tools, or one sending odd network signals. Each case gets attention because it breaks the rhythm. That's how modern security works. Fast, data-driven, mostly invisible. You don't see it, but it sees you. You don't have to do anything wrong to draw attention. You just need a phone that looks unusual in the wrong place. Your phone is like your travel outfit. It sends a first impression. If it looks confusing, the line slows down. If it looks simple, you move on. Airports aren't judging who you are. They're judging how your device behaves compared with everyone else's. That's why small things, apps, files, messages, matter more than people think. Because your phone is your story. And in airports, stories are scanned just like luggage. Open your gallery. You'll probably find hundreds of pictures that make no sense without context. Memes, inside jokes, old screenshots. They're harmless to you, but a stranger might not get the joke. A meme with the word bomb A protest photo? A fake boarding pass? You know they're innocent. A border officer doesn't. Delete what doesn't need to travel with you. Keep backups somewhere safe, but not on the device you carry. Every icon tells a story. Some apps, privacy tools, chat apps that erase messages, vault folders, or second number apps, can make your phone look complicated. None of these are illegal, but travelers and experts have reported extra questions about them at borders. If you really need one, fine. But 5 or 6 together? That attracts attention. Go through your apps and ask, do I need this while I travel? If not, log out or delete it until you're home again. Airport systems don't read your chats, but they measure silence. A phone with no recent messages, no social activity, and no visible history doesn't look private. It looks new. And new phones raise quiet questions. It's the same reason a traveler with no luggage seems suspicious. There's no story to follow. So the goal isn't to erase everything, it's to look consistent. If your phone feels like you, your playlists, your calendar, your normal rhythm, you blend in. When it looks wiped, it looks like you're hiding. Airports don't search for secrets. They search for missing context. That's what flags attention faster than any word or emoji ever could. Your phone tells a story. Work files can twist the plot. A harmless document called annualplanning.docx or strategynotes.pdf is normal at work. But in a security line, it can look unusual. It's not what you're carrying that matters. It's what it looks like you're carrying. Travel light, even in the digital sense. Do your cleanup a day before your flight, not in the security line. Wiping or factory resetting a phone right before boarding can raise questions. Not because it's illegal, but because it looks unusual. Do it at home when you're relaxed. Back up everything important to the cloud or your computer. If something happens to your device, your data stays safe. Think of it like packing. You only bring what you need. Sometimes an officer might say, "Can you unlock this for us?" Stay calm. Ask who you're talking to, TSA or CBP. Only CBP has legal authority to search a phone. If you're a US citizen, they can't deny you entry, but they can delay you. If you're visiting, refusal can mean being turned away. There's no perfect script, but calm beats panic every time. Be polite, don't argue. The goal isn't to win a debate, it's to go home with your phone and your dignity.